So the next topic, dunning. So what is mean by dunning? Sometimes your business partners may fall behind on payments, so you can send them a payment reminder or a dunning notice to remind them of their outstanding debits. So the SAP system allows you to dun business partners automatically. So the system duns the open items from business partner accounts in which the overdue items create a debit balance. So the dunning programs select the overdue open items, determines the dunning level of the account in question and create a dunning notice. It then saves the dunning data determined for the items and accounts affected. So you can use the dunning program to dun both customers and vendors. It may be necessary to dun a vendor if he or she has a debit balance as a result of a credit memo. If a customer is also a vendor, you can offset the account balances against one. So now we can go to SAP system to configure the dunning procedure based on our requirement. /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transactions, dunning procedure, define dunning procedures, execute, select new procedure. So here we need to enter the new 4-digit variant for our dunning procedure. For example, I am going to enter FI, DP and description. So description, dunning procedure FI00. Under the general data, first we need to select dunning interval in days, which means one dunning notice to another dunning notice interval days. For example, I am going to enter 5 days, one dunning to another dunning, which means one notice to another notice. Then number of dunning levels. Number of dunning level means I am going to make how many notices for our vendor or customer. For example, I am going to select 4. So if we need to calculate the interest during this entire dunning period, we can select interest indicator. So I am going to select the standard one. Then line item grace periods. So I am going to enter 10 days, which means the grace period is 10 days. From the 11th day onwards, system generate the dunning notice for our customer or vendor. Then we need to select public holiday calendar ID. I am going to select 01 standard calendar ID. So once you select public holiday calendar ID, entire dunning process, system will not calculate the holidays. And select standard transaction dunning, then enter. So now we can select dunning levels. So this dunning level already we mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. So days in arrears 10 days, which means the first notice we need to send the 11th day, and second notice 16th day, third notice 21st day, fourth notice 26th day. So each dunning level we have interval 5 days. And if you want to collect the interest for during this entire 26 days, we can select the option. Or for example, I am going to calculate the interest for the dunning level 2 to 4. I am going to select this 3, dunning level 2, 3, 4 options, and select print parameters, always dunning. and select print all items. Then select charges. So once you click charges, you can enter the currency. I am going to enter my currency Indian rupee. So here we need to enter the dunning level 1, 2, 3, 4. So the charges means dunning amount. From which amount I am going to make the dunning charges. For example, so the dunning amount 10,000 INR. In this case I am going to make the dunning charges. If the overdue payment is 10,000 and above, we need to charge the each dunning notice. For example, I am going to charge first notice 100 INR, second notice 200 INR, third notice 400 INR, fourth notice 500 INR. So these numbers only for reference. In real time, based on the client requirement, we are going to fix the amount and dunning charges. Then select minimum amount, enter currency INR, continue. So here we need to enter the 4 level of dunning 1, 2, 3, 4. Then select minimum amount. From which amount we need to start sending the dunning notice for our customer or vendor. For example, I am going to enter 1000 INR. If for a particular vendor or customer the overdue amount is more than 1000 rupees or 1000 INR, we need to send the dunning notice for that particular customer or vendor. And select dunning text. So here we need to enter our company code FI00 ABC Steel Limited. Under the account type, we need to select this dunning procedure for customer or vendor. So I am going to select this dunning procedure FIDP for my customer. Continue. So here we need to select new company code. Enter our company code FI00, continue. So here we need to select these two options, dunning by dunning area, separate notice per dunning level. Select these two options against our company code FI00. Then save the data. Save the data. So once you save the data, again you can go to the minimum amount page and then select once again dunning text. Enter company code, account type customer, continue. So now we are in dunning text. So here we need to select the dunning level 1, 2, 3, 4 and select the form. Go to search, here dunning form. Just click on this downside arrow mark under the dunning form. Here we need to select language EN active and continue. So this is our dunning form F150_BE_DUNN_01. So select the second level, double click on dunning form, select third level and select fourth level also. So after select form for all the dunning levels 1 to 4, one step go to back and then save the data. Now see here the dunning procedure FIDP was saved. Our dunning procedure has been created now. Thank you. In step number 2, assign dunning procedure to our customer. Slash and BP transaction code for assign dunning procedure to our customer. Enter. So here we need to select customer number. Then under the find we need to select business partner. So then go to search in customer number. Here enter our company code FI00. Enter. So this is my customer number. Enter once again. One business partner found. Double click on this customer number. So here we need to select the business partner role. Select business partner role. BP role customer FI00. So here we need to select company code. Under the company code tab, select customer correspondence. So here we need to enter our dunning procedure, but this particular field is display mode. To change display to edit, go to header business partner, select display and change. So see here, now we can select our dunning procedure. FIDP, double click, enter and save the data. So changes have been saved. So now our dunning procedure assigned with our customer one. So we need to create the GL account for our customer. Slash and FS00. Enter. Create, enter the GL account. 3,06,000, enter our company code FI00, continue. Select the GL account type, non-operating expense or income, and account group, income. Enter the description, short text and long text, customer invoice for company code FI00. Select control data, ensure account currency, INR, and select short key 001, posting date. Then select create bank interest, select field status group, and then select post automatically only. Save the data. So now customer invoice, our GL account has been created. Thank you. Step number 3, enter customer invoice, transaction code slash and FB70, enter. So first we need to choose our company code. Enter FI00 and continue. Here we need to select our customer. Enter our company code, continue, and select our invoice date and enter our amount. For example, I am going to enter 5,000 INR and select GL account. Enter amount 5,000. Simulate. So in company code FI00, the number range 18 is missing for the year 2023. So we need to configure the number ranges for our company code FI00 in the year 2023. To solve this error, go to transaction code slash n FBN1, enter our company code FI00 and select change intervals, select free intervals. So interval number 18 and the year 2023, continue. Select the second line item, continue. So here I am going to change the numbers from number 201 to number 301. Enter and save the data. So in real-time SAP implementation, the number range from number 2 number should be more than 1 lakh or 2 lakh. So we are working in training server. We are not going to create more than 100 document. So I am giving the range 201 to 301. And then go to again /n FB70 to enter the customer invoice. Ensure our company code FI00. Select our customer number, invoice date, amount 5000 INR, GL account, amount in document currency 5000. Select simulate. No amount authorization for customers / vendors in company code FI00. Please note down. To solve this error, now we can go to /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transactions, open item clearing, clearing differences. So here assign users to tolerance group. Select new entries. Enter username, my SAP username best. Enter tolerance group. Enter tolerance group FI11. Save the data. Now I am going to enter FB70 all the details. So now we can post the invoice. The document 201 posted in company code FI00. Thank you. So the next step, activate dunning procedure. To activate dunning procedure, we can use the transaction code /n F150, enter, or we can use the navigation process under the SAP EC axis. Select accounting. Under the accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing. So here dunning, so the transaction code F150. So here enter the run on date 20/02/2024 and select the identification FI11 4-digit variant and select parameter. So here we need to enter the dunning date and documents posted up to, I am going to use the same date. Then company code FI00, ABC Steel Limited. Then enter our customer number. Go to select, change our company code FI00, enter. So this is our customer number 700000067. Copy the customer number and go to additional log, paste it in customer, select status, dunning parameters. Can I save the parameters? Yes, save. So the details have been saved for the run on February 20, 2024 in our variant FI11. Select schedule. So here we need to select start immediately, start date, and then if we need time we can mention the start time. Output device LP01, dispatch. Schedule was successfully completed. Now the dunning selection is running. Enter 2 to 3 times until the dunning selection is complete in our keyboard. So now the dunning selection is complete. Select dunning printout, ensure start immediately, output device LP01, select print. Dunning printout is completed, dunning run is completed. Enter 2 to 3 times to get printout complete and dunning completed. Go to system, select services. In services we need to select output control. So just execute, don't change any variant. So this is our dunning document. First dunning letter. So this is my customer, company code FI00, date, our customer number. First dunning letter. Dear sir, madam, this invoice listed below are due for payment. If you have paid amounts due in the meantime, please disregard this letter. So see here, document number, document date, arrears 20 days. The dunning charges 100 rupees. Total of due items 5,100 rupees. Balance of account 5,000 rupees. Our document balance 5,000 rupees. We are charging 100 rupees for first dunning notice. So the overall amount 5,100. Total due items 5,100 INR. So now the dunning procedure has been completed successfully. Thank you.